Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for Us All. Welcome to this segment once again, which is in the Cooking Made Simple series. So if my mum has taught me, I always say this is a mum recipe. So this is a mum recipe, and she learned it from a friend of hers. So nice and simple once again. So it's called spicy chicken breast fry. So we have some a chicken breast here, which I've already boiled because that makes it a bit softer. So as you can see, there are some cuts along here, and then it does have some cuts under there that I'm having difficulty lifting. On this one we can see a little bit better that there's been a cut there and also a cut across. So it's entirely up to you. You could make the cuts in different way. So the idea is to try to get some oils and butters into there. So an array of vegetables over there that we like. They're going to be coated in the spices as well. So we have some broccoli, we have some potatoes, and we have some cauliflower, and we have some carrots. So we need lots of butter, oil. So these are the spices. We've got some garam masala, we've got some turmeric, and we've got some chili. So the first thing to do is to coat it thinly in the oil. Okay, so give that a thin coating. So don't forget the side cut that we made. Make sure that is all oiled. And now we're going to put the butter in the cuts that we have made. So if we try to fit in lots and lots of butter in the spaces there. And don't forget the side bit as well. So then we want the spices of our choice. Firstly, pepper. Okay, salt as per taste. And then the other spices. So chili as per taste once again. Turmeric. And a little bit of garam masala. So as always, I forgot something, viewers, and in this case it was the lemon juice, and that should have actually gone first. We can put it there, and some extra. And the other thing that we add is the sauce. So a sauce of your choice. This is chili sauce, as generously as you want. So in this pan we're going to warm some oil and transfer the chicken breasts into the pot. So the oil is nice and warm now. Can we transfer the chicken breasts, please? Okay, so both of them have gone in, and we're going to cook those for about 10 minutes on both sides. So after, I should have said after about 2 minutes, we're going to put the lid on and seal it for the other 3 minutes so that it cooks really well. So 5 minutes have elapsed now, viewers. We need to cook the other side. So hopefully that's cooked really well. Can we turn that over? So once again we're going to seal it and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just showing you how it looks sort of halfway. So we're going to do it for 5 more minutes and then it should be done. So as you can see, viewers, it's really nicely fried. We're going to take that out now. So this has been taken out of the pan now, viewers, and one thing that we can do is add a little bit more lemon to give it flavour. Again, it'll go through the gaps. So we've let the lemon go into the nooks and crannies. Can we have some chilli in there, please? And once again, we're going to leave that to really settle in. So as you can see, we've got a little bit of oil and the spices left in the pan. What we're going to do is add loads of butter as per taste, and butter the vegetables. Okay, the butter's melted nicely. Can we add the vegetables in there, please? So we add some carrots and the rest. So all the vegetables are in now, viewers. Remember, we did boil these already. So depending on how long you boil them or how soft or hard you want. So we're going to do this for about 10 minutes. So the 5 minutes have elapsed now, viewers. I think the vegetables are done. The potatoes are nice and brown almost, nice roast, and the vegetables looking a lot better. So we made sure that they were all sort of oily. Okay, let's put that in the dish, please. And there is my dinner, viewers. A little bit of chicken and lots of vegetables. So as you can see, the veg are really soft. And you can taste the spices in those as well. So that is the end of another video. I do hope you've enjoyed the recipe and you will try it. So until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Tell all your friends about the channel. Look after yourselves. Look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज.